Hello and welcome back. My name is Andre,
And I'm Dominika.
and we're back again with another reaction to
Michael Martin Murphey with the Rio Grande Band. Oh, the song Wildfire. I'm sorry, it was so long. I was focusing on it. Okay, the song is Wildfire. Kevin, this one is from you. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your support. Thank you so much for your request. And yeah, we hope you're going to enjoy our reaction to this one. You mentioned in the message that we're going to enjoy this performance, so I'm very curious to check it out.
I know the song is recorded in '86 in here with the Rio Grande Band, but the song I think it was released in '75.
Here we go.
If I read correctly.
I
Are
think
you ready?
Read correctly, yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
One night I was riding with a friend of mine. We'd been writing a lot of songs. We stayed up till about 3 in the morning, and I fell asleep on the floor. I had a dream, and the dream became this song that I wrote down on a legal pad. He came in and added some chords to it. It turned out to be about a magic horse.
Ooh.
She comes down from Yellow Mountain.
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go back to the beginning when he starts. I just wanted to comment on that piano and piano only. Piano is one of the most beautifully sounding instrument. I absolutely love it, and I also love watching people playing piano. It's something in their body, how they move and how they touching the keys. How do you call them?
I think you've said it.
Okay.
Probably alright.
Probably not. It's really touching and beautiful. And I think this that's why I wanted to stop. I just wanted I didn't want this to disappear into the song fully.
Without saying
And then we forget because we're gonna be into the song. So yeah, that's why I stopped it.
I'm gonna agree with you what you're saying. And the intro with the piano was so beautiful. I'll just make you dream.
Yes, very dreamy.
Yeah, I know you like so much piano.
I
You
love
always say
piano.
I think it's one of your favorite instruments, right?
Yes, so to listen to, that's for sure. Wow.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
She comes down from Yellow Mountain on a dark flatland she rides, on a pony she named Wildfire, a whirlwind by her side on a cold Nebraska night. They say she died one winter when there came a killing frost. she named Wildfire, busted down and starved in a blizzard. He was lost. She ran calling wildfire, calling wildfire, calling So by the dark of the moon I planted, but there came an early snow. Then a hoot owl howling outside my window now, 6 nights in a row. She's coming for me, I know, and on Wildfire we're both gonna go. We'll be right.
Wow, I love his voice so much.
Yeah, he's got very silky. That's the word.
I'm looking at him with a smile on the face and singing. Oh my god, it's just.
You know what? I do love it so much, and the main reason why I love it, I'm so glad he said that how the song came about to life, to exist, and it kind of like make me it transport me into that dream he's talking about. And I did like that, the fact that he said actually where the song, you know, sometimes we listen to the songs and they are great songs, and I remember it was recently we done a song and it took some time, over the months, to write it, and the song came out absolutely amazing. But the author of the song was waiting for the perfect, something perfect come to him. So
the end of the song.
Yeah, they didn't want to release the song because it wasn't complete. He didn't feel it. Yeah, and then I also say that the process of creating the song for some just come over you within one night, and he wake up in the morning and he wrote that perfect song, and then I read it. So we read it that someone else came and then add few chords. Here we go. The song is complete. And actually, that song charted quite high on the charts back in the day. So sometimes it just takes few hours. Sometimes takes one dream. Sometimes takes few months, and then the song comes.
To make a perfect song.
To make a perfect song.
For that.
And I'm looking at him. He's really into the song with his eyes, with, like you said, with the smile. Yeah.
He's putting his soul.
He's on this horse, Wildfire, just riding along. Wow.
You know, it's a little pony, far as I understand. I did believe it was like a massive horse, like a flame all over the place. Like that's in my imagination go, you know.
No, I think it was a horse.
Pony.
The pony.
All right.
Pony. Okay.
Ready? Yeah. I love it so much. I love his voice. Ready?
Yeah.
I keep repeating myself.
We're both gonna go. We'll be riding wildfire, riding wildfire, riding wildfire. On wildfire we're gonna ride. Gonna leave, start busting behind. Get the hard
Thank you once again, David Hoffner on keyboards.
Bravo, David.
Wow, sublime.
Yes. Yes, that piano definitely. The whole song was so delicate. You know what you quite often say when we listen to some ladies that oh, like a little bird. They sound. He sounded like that, like a bird. He was so light in his voice in that song. It was, you could feel it was like a dream song. Something didn't happen really. I also read somewhere that there was some ghost story he was told by his grandfather when he was kid, and also kind of like that dream and the combination of that. But it's exactly like that. I felt like I was listening to a beautiful story with this beautiful voice, and that piano was just
And the guitar in the
and
end.
the guitar, he was just touched so beautiful.
No, I didn't want to close my eyes just to listen.
Yes.
Sometimes you don't want to talk about it.
Yes.
Sometimes you don't want to say nothing. You just want to take it in. It's so beautiful. Wow. You know, you look at some artists when they do and they give everything there and they put their soul, and it feels so real and so beautiful, so magical. They really take you in that journey with them when they... Amazing. Alright, hope you enjoy our reaction and see you again next time. Have a lovely day and all the best. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye for now.